Now, let's say that I'm looking at a storage facility, and let's say that obviously, like you, I'm looking for a value add. Some people may not know what a value add opportunity is. And when
Mm-hmm.
I'm residential, I didn't really know what a value add opportunity is until I got into commercial space. So,
Mm-hmm.
what is a value add opportunity, and what are some of the value add opportunities that you look for in self
Mm-hmm.
storage? How can you add? Yeah, how can you add value to a
Mm-hmm.
self storage facility?
Mm-hmm. Well, the good news is with an income producing property is that it's valued based upon the net operating income it's producing today.
Mhm.
And applying a market cap rate. So if it's only 50% occupied, you're going to take the NOI at 50% and you're going to divide that by a market cap rate,
Mhm.
and this is the value of it. And by the way, that's all the bank's going to lend on because of the debt service coverage ratio. So if it's 50% occupied and you're buying it at a 7 cap based upon that net operating income today, because that's what'll get funded. Well, when you close on it, that's the market cap rate on that NOI. In essence, you got 50% of the rest of the building for free, and now you just lease it up, and the new NOI at a market cap rate creates
Yeah.
the value of that facility at that point. That is completely different than a house where there's 5 others, 10 others, that are just like it in the neighborhood, and here's the highest, and this one's about the same as that. Well, there's no ceiling on these projects. You just continue to create value by adding profit centers like selling locks, boxes, and moving supplies, and tenant insurance, and adding concierge services to boat and RV parking. I mean, there's a number of ways to be able to do that, but the primary ones are buying these facilities that aren't managed well. They are high vacancies. The rent is way below the market, and if they have land that you can still build on, then we want to add more units anytime we can. Or if there's land that is next door that we can buy and then add additional units on and get that economies of scale from a management standpoint, those are some of the simplest and easiest ways.